everyone. Thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are setting a back glass on a Honda Accord using our WRD handling cups as well as our WRD positioning assistants here on the roof. First things first, we are going to set our glass in here dry to make sure that we are exactly where we want to be. So I'm going to set your glass in here dry. Check your reveals. Make sure you are good side to side. Make sure your reveal at the top is even across. I'm going to set our roof cup first, and then our glass cup here, like so. Same thing on this side. Set, double check, and set our roof cup, and then our glass cups, like so. And that is where we want to set it. Lift it out, and then take it out and shoot the glass. And we will be right back shortly with the set. Alright guys, back here with the set. To lift this up. Come inside here. And then you notice we got our trunk popped up just a little bit there to allow for us to slide the glass underneath it. And want to make sure we get under the trunk first, and then hook our roof cups. Drop it in place. So, and then jack it down, and again double check all of your reveals. Make sure you are where you want to be. Make sure you're where you're supposed to be. And even after decking, you can see we've got no ooze out along the sides here or along the top. That one. That one. Make sure we are good on our reveals. And again, no ooze out. That's dirt, not ooze out. Along the top. Make sure we are decked all the way around. And that is using our handling cups and our WRD positioning assistants to set the back glass. Alright? Till next time, guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.